Welcome back to the booth. Welcome to RVDA Virtual 2020. I'm Matt Kiselstein, Level 5's resident retail marketing technology evangelist, and I'm often asked, what's the difference? What's the difference between Level 5 and those with whom you compete? And while the answer is never a short one, with so much technology under the hood, it always comes down to two words: automation and personalization. So today, we're going to show you what we do with dynamic offers. But before I do, I should point out that as an RV dealer, clearly your site provider, Auction 123 or maybe Lot Vantage, is serving up your data. You're feeding your data to RV Trader, to RVT. Our Canadian friends are feeding data to Kijiji. So my question to you is, why not Google? Why not feed your data to Google dynamically? You might say, that's impossible. They don't do that. Nobody does that. It is possible. We do it, and I'm going to show you how. When you have a Level 5 website, you have a direct-to-Google feed using model-specific information, and essentially all the data from your site gets sent directly to Google. What does that enable? It enables Google to know about the unit, about the unit's price, about possible payments, about the rate, and dealer-specific data that will get people to find your inventory. Dynamic offers enable two distinct features, the first of which is dynamic prospecting. You can now use Google to do your customer hunting for you, and I'll show you what that is. Also, you can dynamically retarget shoppers. You can retarget your site's shoppers by showing them the exact units they last looked at. You know this one. You've been followed around the web before. Now it's your turn. Inside this search engine is a huge algorithmic brain that knows in all likelihood what you're probably going to do next on the web before you do. So as a retailer, why not give Google the information and let them decide which ad to show which consumer at which point? Here's how we do it. We will dynamically script an ad from data on the website that features selling price, monthly payments, dealer names with the rate, and generic ads with dealer information that will connect to your shoppers at the proper point in their journey. And when it comes to the digital retargeting, we'll follow your shoppers around the web for 3 weeks with the last 3 units they looked at in every shape that the Google Display Network allows. So, again, why not chase them with the good stuff? Why use the generic stuff? So this is one of the things that makes us very, very different. We're really not in the same business when it comes to the dynamic offers. We'll automatically feed Google data from your site and let Google decide when to serve it up. Because let's face it, who knows better? Thanks for having a look. Hope you found it interesting. Thanks again for your time. See you soon.